We're doing a beef and shrimp stir fry, Asian style. I gotta tell you, but it's a fun day today at the TRA.
What kind of beef is this?
Tenderloin.
Tenderloin
Yes.
beef. The best.
Right. Only the best here at NaturalShrimp. So Mike, you can film this all the way. This is going to be a quick video. This is going to go really fast.
Okay, you got it.
Meanwhile, we're looking over here. Come on,
All
Mike.
right.
Come on, Mike. So this is the stock. We got a stock going right now. Shrimp stock. I took it off. You can see, let it sit. I'll put it back on there.
I want to let everybody know it smells tremendous.
Yeah. And this is going to be for a risotto. We're going to do a little different risotto we did yesterday. It's going to be a lemongrass lime flavor. Just a hint of butter, not too much.
Hey, where do you want to put this? I got this for you.
Oh, all right.
Beef, garlic. Nick, you get that soup thing out of there? See this induction cook? I don't want to take it off the heat. Yeah, the beef is cooking. So now, shrimp. All right, now I'm gonna let it sit, get the heat coming up, back up, get rid of that juice. Black pepper. Actually, it's a mix, black and white pepper. White gives it that little bit more heat.
How do you get those so soft?
The shrimp, first of all, it's quality shrimp in our product. It's buttery and softer than what you can buy in Europe. It's never fresh, never frozen, always fresh. The clue is it's not the overcooked, it's blanched. So that means blanching, heat, boil really quick, out, cool down, serve. That's really the clue. Thank you. All right, now we're gonna get that moisture out. I'm gonna add this and just keep it on top.
I'm sorry, what are you adding there?
This is the rice noodles, which I chopped up a little bit so they fit easier in the cup.
Okay.
It's easier to eat. I'm gonna take a little bit out, dash too much. All right. I'm gonna add a dash of sesame oil. Not too much. Salt. Last, we're gonna add sweet soy sauce, not salty. So I use an Indonesian soy sauce all the time. Indonesian, sweet, so it's not really too salty. So I just prefer working with Indonesian soy sauce. So keep that all in mind, somebody. If you guys go to the store, you can't buy it in most supermarkets. Go to an Asian store, And they will have the Indonesian sweet soy sauce. All right, there we go. Soy sauce. Boom. Not too much. How's that looking? Oh, let me try that. That one got lost.
Delicious.
All right, everyone. That's it.
That's all the ingredients?
That's we're gonna put those scallions on there, but yeah, let's do
So
this.
you're going to cook it a little bit more, or is that
We're done. This is done cooking. We're gonna serve.
We're done. All right.
Boom.
Again, the odor is just outstanding. This is looking very, very good.
It's the Asian beef and shrimp stir fry. That one for you too, Tom. And this, sir, small group, if you do need more sorry, I got some.
I didn't know you were so versatile.
What's that?
I said, I did not know you were so versatile.
Oh, man, you don't know very much about me yet, do you? I don't want to be too arrogant, but I can literally cook any cuisine. Any. Any. Yes.
All right, we need some reactions here.
Very good.
All right.
Absolutely wonderful.
Tom Untermeyer just gave a thumbs up,
He did.
so you know it's good.
Then
2 thumbs up. All right. Douwe, it's a big hit so far.
What is this? Beef and shrimp stir fry.
Beef and shrimp stir fry. Okay. I'm waiting for your reaction.
Oh, well, let me get my utensils out.
I'll give you a second here.
Oh, man. Get a shrimp on there.
Deep-seated appreciation for the life.
I don't know what to say. It's so good.
Well, on a scale from 1 to 10, how do you rate it?
About 12.
About a 12. Okay. Sounds pretty good to me. All right.
These communities need 21st century solutions.
Oh, we got more sampling to do.
I must look hungry.
These solutions stems from the rising demand for seafood.
Mike, you want a bite?
Oh, I will get one in a second. Thank you. I know we can get totally objective, unbiased opinions from shareholders, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
We'll let it cool off a little bit because it is steaming hot.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to get the expression on Nina's face in just a second.
Oh, yes, very good. I just put a shrimp in my mouth.
Can I get a close-up of your plate?
Sure.
So everybody can see?
There's shrimp and there's beef, and I think it's like a angel hair.
It's an Asian stir fry. Yeah, this is big.
Very nice.
That does look good. Looks delicious.
Very good.
Okay, we're going to cut it off now. We'll be back to you later at the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center. All right, this is Michael Pineda and he is about to sample this new dish from Douwe. Now you'll give us your honest opinion, right?
Absolutely.
Be very objective. Let's see what Michael says.
Very well. Even cooked just the way. I'm not sure how he cooked it on a flat top or pan. The shrimp still resembles a lot of crispiness, a lot of crunch when you bite into it. It's got a very good flavor. Very sweet. Still got that sweet flavor that our natural shrimp is very known for. So, very good meal. Very good deal.
Okay, thank you, Michael.
Absolutely.